How to create pin on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Facebook Messenger's settings, and under settings just scroll down, and here you should be able to find the option of privacy and safety. Simply click on it, and after that here you would be able to find the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Under security, simply click on it, and now here you would be able to find secured storage or message storage. Since this option is not there for you, but it might be there for you, so simply click on secured storage, and after that turn it on. After that you would be able to find the option of pin. Simply click on it and set the pin, and it is not there for me because Meta is trying to get this feature down for all the people out there, and some of them are not getting it like me, and in future I might also be getting it. So currently this is in beta phase, that's why it is not showing for me, but for you it might be there. So this is how you would be able to use the pin feature of Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.